The count blank functions returns a count of empty cells in the range. Cells that contain text, numbers, error, spaces, etc. are not counted. Formulas that return empty text are counted. So we will use count blank takes just one argument range, which must be a cell range. So in this example we are going to find out the blank cell count. So I'll delete this and this also, any blank cell. So I'll keep it here and write the formula count blank and tab, and I will select the range. I will select the C3 to C10, and this is 3 to C10 and enter, and you will see the result. It is count blank are 3, 1, 2 and 3. So in this way you can count cells that are blank. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates.